Types of wood chip products. Wood chips are a non-homogeneous product that is produced from shredded, unprocessed wood. Biomass is produced from different tree parts, excluding stumps. Depending on the main raw materials like tree stem parts, bark, branches, leaves, or needles that are used for producing biomass, and the quality parameters such as moisture content, ash content, fraction size, or impurities, wood chip products on the Baltpool International Biomass Exchange are classified as follows: SM1 and SM1W, SM2, SM3D and SM3, and SM4. Type SM3D and SM3 wood chips are dark brown. In type SM3D wood chips, the main raw materials are short-rotation coppice and dry, stored logging residues. Only admixtures such as dry leaves or needles are allowed in these wood chips. Main raw material for type SM3 wood chips: fresh timber logging residues, branches. They may contain bark admixtures, dry or non-dry leaves and needles. For this reason, these wood chips may have light green color. Moisture content of type SM3D and SM3 wood chips may not be below 35%. The maximum allowable moisture content for type SM3D wood chips is 55%, and for SM3, this figure is 60% of gross weight. Ash content of the two types of wood chips may not exceed 5% of dry matter. At least 60% by weight of SM3D and SM3 wood chips must account for the 3.15 to 63 mm fraction. In type SM3D wood chips, the share of the small particles fraction may not exceed 20%, and in SM3, this figure may not exceed 25%. The energy value of a specific product and consequently the final price depend on the ratio of all these parameters of wood chips. It is important to note that wood chips may not contain any peat, straws, or other non-wood derived admixtures. Dyed, lacquered, glued, impregnated, or otherwise chemically treated wood may not be used for producing the product. In case even a small quantity of unallowable organic or chemical admixtures is identified, the biomass may not be accepted. It is difficult to determine the exact type of wood chip product visually. Laboratory testing is required for this purpose, but based on these guidelines, you can conduct an initial evaluation and decide whether the delivered wood chips may be accepted. Detailed technical specifications of the quality of wood chip products are described in the Conditions of Trade in Biomass Products of the Baltpool International Biomass Exchange.